Once again, the indices have renewed their historic highs. We see many stocks flying. And in a scenario like this, it's totally normal to wonder how long this rally can persist, right? Or what would be the first clue that we are losing momentum? Because so far we are doing great, but sooner or later we will see a correction. So what can we expect next? Or even better, how can technical analysis help us proceed in this scenario, in a scenario like this? Well, in today's video, we are gonna study the market together, analyze our stocks, and develop strategies for possible scenarios, always paying attention to the technical evidence. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. It's a pleasure to see you guys over here. I highly appreciate your audience. So let us start our analysis. When we look at the SPY ETF, okay, made a new record high today. It is clearly going up. The trend is clearly bullish. We see nothing more, nothing less than higher highs, higher lows. The 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average, is pointing upwards. We are far away from our support levels, way above the $600, the previous technical resistance level, a possible future support level. So we are doing so fine right now. We are doing so fine that some people are worried about the possibility of a pullback. Guys, we are in a bull trend. Bear in mind that any pullback in this scenario could be just another buying opportunity. If we see SPY correcting back to the $600 or maybe even to the 21-day EMA, fantastic. Possibly another buying opportunity if we see a bottom signal materialized over here. Now you may ask, but Nathan, is today's reaction a top signal? Well, not yet, but it could be. So far, on the 1-hour chart, let's analyze the hourly chart for a short-term reading over here. When we look at the 1-hour chart, we also see a sequence of higher highs, higher lows. Right? We do not see lower highs, lower lows yet. We see the price making higher highs, higher lows, bullish chart structures above the 21-hour EMA. If we lose the previous support level around 606, which is very close to the 21-hour EMA, then alright, we are gonna technically frustrate this bullish chart pattern over here, suggesting a bearish reversal on the 1-hour chart, which could be a pullback on the daily chart, all right? As long as we see the SPY ETF trading above these support levels short-term wise, we are not gonna see a mid-term pullback. This is not gonna be a proper top signal. And today's reaction is quite conflicting because while we see SPY losing momentum, leaving a relatively long shadow above the candlestick's body, we see the QQQ insanely bullish. This reaction is very, very powerful. We are completely rejecting any possibility of a top signal. We are rejecting yesterday's bearish candlestick pattern over here, which was a possible top signal. I told you guys yesterday, guys, this is a possible top signal. It is not necessarily a real top signal, but if tomorrow we lose today's low, then alright, we may see a sharper correction on the daily chart because we are gonna lose a few short-term support levels like the 21-hour EMA. Okay, great. We couldn't trigger this top signal. We are above yesterday's high, making another bullish candlestick pattern. Another classic bullish continuation chart structure, another bullish pivot point, another higher high, higher low triggered. So far, if we see a short-term pullback to the 21-hour EMA, that's totally plausible. It is not gonna ruin the uptrend seen on the QQQ. Even if we see a top signal triggered on the daily chart, we may see the QQQ back to the 515 or maybe even to the 21-day EMA, close to this purple trend line over here, connecting the previous bottom levels on the QQQ since August this year. So even if we see pullback, there are many possible bottom candidates, support levels that could act as nice bullish reversal chart structures for the QQQ that could hold the price and prevent it from actually reversing the uptrend. So it is not gonna be easy for the tech stock index over here to actually materialize a reversal. We may see a pullback, but a reversal is more difficult, all right? So far, there is not even a single top signal. So far, we are still insanely bullish. Now, you may ask, Nathan, is this a good moment for us to buy? Because it is going up. This one is just unstoppable, right? So when is the good moment to buy? Or maybe you are worried about it because you have QQQ, right? You own some shares and you see this one going up and you feel nervous as well because it is going up too much, too fast. So Nathan, what should I do in this situation? Well, guys, the QQQ, just like Tesla, just like Palantir, these companies, these stocks are going up like crazy. Okay, like crazy, all right? And we don't see any meaningful bottom signal. If you ask me, in my personal opinion, the risk-reward ratio is not making much sense right now. It is not making any sense right now for a long position because I like to buy near support levels when the risk-reward ratio is optimized, all right? Then, okay, maybe I will start thinking about buying QQQ again. But so far, I'm not necessarily a huge fan of this situation now. But Nathan, I'm not you, right? I'm not you. I want to buy QQQ, I want to buy Tesla, I want to buy Palantir, I own some shares, I'm worried about my investments. What should I do in this situation? Well, we don't see any top signal, all right? We are still in a crystal clear uptrend. But the situation here on Tesla, on Palantir, on QQQ, they are quite similar. And here, in this video, I'm gonna share an actual strategy that you can use, that you can apply in your real life to manage your position, to manage your risk with a very good and defined strategy. I'm gonna share with you guys in a minute. First, let's take a look at Nvidia and AMD. These two stocks are dropping today. We see AMD making a quite frustrating reaction. It is losing again the 21-day EMA. Nvidia is also dropping today. However, Nvidia is slightly more bullish because we are still above the 21-day EMA on the daily chart, and on the 1-hour chart, we kind of see just another pullback to the support area. We are slightly below the moving average on the 1-hour chart, but we still see the chart structure of higher highs, higher lows, right? A possible breakout of this resistance line could suggest more bullish continuation for Nvidia. Right now, we are stabilizing the price near a support level. Then we'll see. So far, Nvidia is not making any meaningful, amazing bullish signal, but we could see a bullish reaction next week, especially if we maintain the price above the 21-day EMA. Regarding AMD, we see AMD dropping. It is not reacting. This one failed in maintaining the price above the moving average, which is quite frustrating. But if you ask me, any breakout of the 144 could be very good because on the weekly chart, we are still trying to make a bullish reaction right above this long-term purple support line, this trend line connecting all the previous support levels since October 2022. So it is the best place for us to see a bullish reaction on the weekly chart. But it is very important for us to see AMD breaking 144, all right? This is the most important trigger point for a meaningful bullish reversal on AMD. So far, we are not making any meaningful bullish reaction yet. Now, regarding Tesla, regarding Palantir, these companies are very bullish right now. They are going up so sharply. Here, if you ask me, Tesla is heading towards our next resistance level, $384. All right, there is not a single top signal. There's not a single bearish reaction right now. We just broke the $358, the previous resistance line, the previous break point of this ascending triangle chart pattern. Right now, 384 is our next technical target. It is our next resistance level. Now you may ask, but Nathan, so you see more upside, right? So is Tesla a good buy right now? Guys, if you ask me, you are kind of worried about two major trading fears. Are you aware of the 4 primary trading fears? Mark Douglas, one of the most important authors regarding technical analysis and trading psychology, he describes the 4 primary trading fears. The fear of being wrong, the fear of leaving money on the table, the fear of missing out, and the fear of losing money. Right here we see Tesla going up. Let's say you are out of Tesla, right? You are totally out of Tesla, and then you see Tesla going up right here, right now, and then you may ask, oh, but should I buy it? I mean, if I buy it right now, since I'm not the luckiest person alive, I'm gonna see Tesla dropping. I'm gonna see a pullback over here, and any pullback to the moving average represents a drop of roughly 11%, right? So it is gonna be quite painful. You don't want this to be painful. So I'm gonna buy it right now because, well, it is going up. But what if I see Tesla dropping? So maybe I should wait. But what if Tesla continues to go up? Right? What if Tesla continues to rise? Then I'm gonna miss the opportunity. Then that's the fear of missing out. That's the fear of missing the opportunity speaking. And these two conflicting fears, they're gonna freeze you. You're gonna freeze over here. You don't know what to do. Palantir has a similar problem, right? Some people are still waiting for an opportunity over here because it is just going up. We don't see this one correcting, so maybe I should buy it, because if I bought Palantir over here, right? If I bought Palantir over here, which was far away from the moving average, above the support levels, I would still make money. Although the risk-reward ratio was not good, I would still make money because, well, this one keeps going up. So I should have bought here. I should have bought here. I should have bought here. Guys, in retrospect, when you look at a chart like this, right, especially this chart over here, Tesla chart, it is quite easy for you to feel like an idiot because, well, I could have bought here and then sold here. Buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here. It is easy, right? I should have just sold here and then buy here again, sell here, buy here, and sell here. Well, now what? Now what, right? It is very easy because we only see the left side of this chart. Now, here, we don't know. We can't. This is why I always tell you guys, real trading is reactive. It is not predictive. Looking in retrospect, it is easy. But right here, right now, it is definitely not. We can't predict the future. We don't know what's going to happen next. So please do not punish yourself when you see something going up and then you say, oh, I should have bought. No, you shouldn't. If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a crystal clear plan, if you don't know what you are doing, you should not. All right, you are fine. You are totally okay. Now, if you want to participate in the 5% project, you will have access to my personal trading strategies every single day. Guys, every single day, I share many trading ideas, trading strategies with you guys. Always sharing a complete trading plan with entry point, exit point, target, stop loss, etc. Because we are here to help you to trade correctly like a professional without any stress. Just take a look at our website. The link is in the video description. I know here, the right side of the chart is blank. We don't know how to proceed. We don't know what's going to happen next, but we know how to proceed, all right? So just join the 5% project for trading ideas, for more premium analysis, and well, to understand how our methodology works. We are swing traders, right? So there is no need to babysit the channel every single minute of the day. In fact, most of the time, the vast majority of the time, I send you guys the signals, the strategies after the market closes. So you have time to study the signals, to understand the logic of the movement, to read our strategies, to calmly, patiently set your orders. There's no need to rush, and then you let the plan, you let the trading plan to materialize by itself, all right? So this is how we do. If you like it, if you like this idea, just join our service. You have 7 days to try for free, all right? See for yourself if you like it. Link is in this video's description, all right? Now, a crystal clear, yes, I promised, a crystal clear strategy that you can use, all right? I mean, I'm gonna share 2 strategies, all right? 2 on the house. Here, you see Tesla going up. Okay, should I buy it? If I buy, it is gonna drop. I know myself. I know how lucky I am. It is gonna drop. But if I don't buy, it is gonna go up because, well, because I have such a bad luck, right? It is gonna go up. So what should I do, guys? There's no need. First strategy. There is no need to do a hard buy, a hard sell all the time. All right. You can buy a small position. Buy a small position, all right? Like 10% of your total position, of your wished position, right? The position you wish to have. Buy a very small position over here. And then we'll see, right? Nathan, what if Tesla keeps going up? All right. You are not missing the opportunity. You will cancel the fear of missing out because you're not missing it. You are here right now. So you are in Tesla. So, okay, you bought a small position. Okay, but could you have bought more? Yes, you could. But again, you don't know the future. All right, that's okay. That's fine. You don't know. At least you are not missing the party completely. But Nathan, what if Tesla drops? Oh, all right, that's totally fine. You're gonna lose money, but with a small position. There is no need to worry. And then when you see Tesla approaching its support levels, fine, you can buy more because you still have some cash in your hands, right? You still have money. Your position is not complete yet, so you can just buy more shares near a support level with a better risk-reward ratio. This is gonna optimize your average price, and then we will see how to manage your risk properly. Okay, so this is it. All right, there is no need to do a hard buy, hard sell. Just manage. Guys, technical analysis is not here to help us to predict the future. It is totally useless for that purpose. Just like fundamental analysis, just like tape reading, just like algo trading, nothing can help you to predict the future. Nothing. These tools are totally useless. But why do we use technical analysis? To help us manage our positions, to help us manage our risk, and to understand the key inflection points that can give us an advantage, an edge in this market, so we can have a better accuracy. All right. The most important thing of all is risk management in the end. That's why we use technical analysis. All right. The second strategy is even better. You can just subscribe to this channel because we are here every single day sharing many trading ideas on SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, AMD, Palantir. We always analyze these companies and more. So every single day, guys, maybe one day you will feel lost. I don't know what to do. Okay, you can come back here. We are always here to welcome you, my dear friends. So subscribe, click the like button to support this channel as well. Your support means a lot. So yeah, you can use these strategies for now. You will be just fine. If you use both, perfect. Now, I wish you guys a great... No, we are not done yet. I'm so sorry. We are not done yet. There is coin breaking a crystal clear resistance level just like Tesla broke the resistance line of this ascending triangle. We see coin breaking its resistance line over here, suggesting more upside potential. Now, what's the technical target of this pennant chart pattern? Well, the technical target is the size of the pole projected in the direction of the breakout, meaning coin has a lot of upside ahead. We could easily retest the $648, which is above the all-time high level. That's impressive. Coin has a lot of upside potential. I would focus around the all-time high area, okay, first, because this target seems to be a little bit too far away from the current price, but still, it doesn't change the fact coin is insanely bullish right now. There is not a single top signal, there is not a single bearish reversal chart structure. Super microcomputer going up nicely, 7% today. If you ask me, we are heading towards our next technical resistance level, which is this gap. We're gonna close this gap at 46.75. This gap is a technical target. Super microcomputer is heading to this target, and then we'll see if it is gonna correct or not. While we see IWM correcting back to the 21-day EMA. That's the ideal scenario for the SPY and the QQQ, right? If we see they correcting, they should approach their moving averages, their support levels, and then we'll see if they will materialize a buy or not. So far, it is not a buy. We have yet to reach the 21-day EMA, so we still have some downside left. So right now, we should wait for more signals, for more clues, for more confirmation. Meanwhile, remember, join the 5% project, because there you'll find exclusive trading ideas in many stocks. Our performance has been so good this year. I really want to see you joining us over there. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Bye-bye.